Hi, I'm Debbie. I'm the owner, artist, and educator at Mindful Nice, and I teach mindfulness through my art. For several months now, I've been considering teaching an online course for my business, but I honestly have no idea how to do that. So imagine my surprise when I opened Karen Salmanson's newsletter, which I've been subscribing to for many years, and I open this email and it says, "Do you want to create a profitable course online?" And I thought I was dreaming. It was too good to be true. I signed up immediately. I've taken other courses of Karen's online and I've read all of her books. She's been a huge inspiration of mine for so many years. And so this was a no-brainer. I signed up immediately and I'm so grateful I did. This course has been so much more than just learning how to create a profitable course online. It is access to Karen's brilliance and one-on-one support, which I didn't even know to expect. I really just didn't expect that at all. So for me, this was just a huge bonus that money can't buy. It's been life-changing for me, honestly, to have feedback direct from Karen helping me with my website and my social media posts and teaching me how to grow my business in a way that I had not been taught before. And just to be discovered. So this course has been so much more than how to create a course, which I've also learned how to do. So it's just been a win-win-win all the way around. It's exciting to know Karen and to have this one-on-one support from not only her, but from this community she has created with other students in the course. So I'm so grateful that I signed up, and I'm excited to launch my course into the world and see where it takes me. I know it will help me grow my business, and I will forever be grateful to Karen Salmansohn for that. So thank you for offering this course and for helping us. And just thank you so much love.